Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I've got something really cool for you. I'm going to be showing you a software that came out today, just a couple hours ago. It's called Activity Book Generator. Now, there's not a lot of buzz about it, so you're probably not going to find any YouTube videos about it, going over it. It's not a big launch or anything like that. But this software is very unique. And I picked up a copy for myself and actually got a pro version. I'm going to be showing you that in just a second. What you can do here is within a click of a mouse, really, one or two clicks, you can have full-fledged adult coloring books, kids coloring books, kids activity books, adult activity books, all kinds of activity and coloring books at your disposal within seconds. And so I'm going to show you this. And then I've got some bonuses, some special bonuses that you'd be interested in as well. So stick around and you will be impressed with this software. So the software is actually, discover the faster, easier way to creating, coloring, and activity books and printables in seconds that you can sell to raving fans. And so there's an intro by the creator of the software, somebody that has been doing book publishing for over 20 years. And so they know a thing or two about this, and they've designed the software that's been in the works for months and months and months. And so you can publish these books on Etsy, on KDP, you can sell them on Gumroad, all kinds of different things that you want to do. The software does start off at $27, and it comes with, it's listed here somewhere, it comes with thousands of different coloring images and activity pages that it automatically generates for you. So you'll never have to, you'll never get the same book that it generates ever. So it's easy the way, and I'm going to show you in a sec, but you just select how many pages you want and select what kind of book, and then it just prints. So there's testimonials, different things to look at, and then right here it'll show you some types of pages that can come out in the software. And so it's going to be better for me to show you the software now. Okay, so I'm going to dive into the software and show you just what this activity book generator that just came out today, August 26, 2020. And it just came out a couple hours ago. So I'm showing it to you because I know a lot of my subscribers are low and no content publishers, and they would probably be interested in a tool like this. So there's a main version right here. And if you pick up the main version, this is the version that's only $27. And it's got thousands of pieces of content that it can produce, and it shuffles them around so that you would never have the same book ever. And you can pick up a deluxe copy right now with the launch. And it's a monthly reoccurring fee on the deluxe and the pro. But what this is going to do is that it's going to add a ton of different stuff. Every week they're going to be adding new things to this list over here, and it's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. So if you don't pick up the pro version, right, so get rid of all that, you're only going to have access to these 4 modules right here. Okay. But if you pick up the pro version, it's going to unlock twice as many things. Like, for example, over here, kids fantasy book, it's only on the pro version, and you can get kids coloring dinosaurs, dragons, and more, all kinds of good stuff. They're even coming out with printables that you could get, printable calendars that you could upload to Etsy if you have a sell on Etsy. And that's where the adult wall calendars, 2021, you can already start looking ahead to 2021, which I will be. But I'm super excited about this software. The software is a high recommendation right now. After fooling around with it for about an hour, producing some content, it's definitely a 8, 9, or 10. I haven't completely decided, but it is definitely worth a close look at. And if anything, picking up the basic version at $27 is a steal in my opinion. So I'm going to show you some stuff. So we come up to the top here, and we go to the main version, right? And let's just say we wanted to do an adult coloring generator. If I click on that real quick, so then it comes to the adult coloring generator, and it gives you instructions on what to do. You can pick from 1, 5, 10, 20, and 30. And I believe it spits out 300 DPI images. Every image is 300 DPI, which is awesome. That means that you can count on the quality when you upload this to Amazon, but you can also count on the quality when you're going to sell it on Etsy or other platforms. And that comes with the license. You're allowed to do that, which is just brilliant with the software. So just to show for fun, I'm going to do 10 pages, and we're going to do an adult coloring generator. I'm going to push the create button. So just like that, it's going to go out and do its thing. And you can see down here, it's already come up with it. It's already selected what it's going to do. And it's just like that within seconds right in front of you. So it's going to come out with different coloring pages like this, mandala, however you say that, type pages. So you've got these different types of pages that it's going to spit out, which are just awesome. These pages are great. It's a square type page right there. And you could do this, and you could even bring it into a PDF editor to put text over it. You could there's still enough room. You could put a text up above and below that. But you can just see that it's coming out with these coloring images, and like this one. I really like that one. When there's a lot of detail involved that you're able to do, I really like that. And so you just keep going, and you can see the different pages that it came out with, right? So if we come back, so then we could go to the kids coloring generator. There's an adult activity book generator, kids activity book generator. So let's see what the kids coloring generator on the basic version, let's see what that one comes out with. We'll go with 10, and we'll push create. It's going to come out real quick. Doesn't take too long. And like that, you can see it in less than 5 seconds. It comes out with a full-fledged interior. And these are nice images. Look at that. That's like a dinosaur, a friendly dinosaur for kids. And there you go. And they're nice and centered. And the interior is ready to go. So this is going to save so much time, and you can just grab this and your interior for your coloring book is done. It's just pretty awesome. So here's just to prove that you won't get any two of the same book ever. Just look at the front of that. We'll come back over here and we'll do another 10 just to show that, every single time it is going to produce a completely unique coloring book interior for you. This is just brilliant. I've never seen a software that actually is producing a coloring book for you in a matter of seconds, an interior coloring book. So look, all different stuff, all new images selected. All new images are selected. This is just awesome. I can't wait to start using this, utilizing this, and publishing these. You can go on a publishing craze with this. So last but not least, and I'm going to jump into my bonuses, is you pick up the Pro version, which I did. Now, they do have printables. They have adult wall calendars that you can start for January 2021. You can select your template. Select your template here and push create. You can build an interior that way. Go to Pro, and then go to, they don't have the kids ones out. That's coming out in the first week of September. But you have coloring adult and activities for adults. So let's just see what the adult activities looks like. We're going to just select 5 real quick. Just want to really show you in depth the software. This activity book generator software is something that I have not seen in any other software. So check this out. So this is for adults. How many words can you find? Using the letters in the game box, how many words can you create with 3 or more letters? So this is a nice challenge. You've got 24 of those, and then it just changes. See, so the letters, so this is an adult activity game that it came up with. It's a word search or a word type game. So that's that was the Pro activities, adult activities. So kids activities and kids activities fantasies. So they're starting to get really specific. They're getting into some specific niches. I'm going to go ahead and grab just 5 here. So you can see that there's 3,700 plus activity pages in the general kids category alone. So, good luck creating the same exact book with that. So you have, these are like some grab a friend, or sibling, play tic-tac-toe, nice little friendly picture. Look at this, color and cut out bookmarks. So there's different, you can color this, have fun, and then cut it out and use it as bookmarks. And then these ones, so a placement, placemat fun, and that's actually in the landscape, which is great. So they get the book, they can actually tear that out. So there's just so many different things you can do with this software. It's very impressive. So last but not least, just wanted to check out. So here, if you come to pro coloring and then kids, look, it's all you can have specific preschool books, fantasy, animals, kids coloring all, or seasons. Look at how many niches. And this is where the pro version is going to really come out ahead. It's a monthly cost. The normal price of it is $37 a month for the pro version. But during this launch for only 4 days, it's $19 a month. You can lock in at $19 a month, and you are going to get updated. They're going to continue to update this system. They have full-time programmers doing their thing to this. So this is a real software that's going to have good customer support, and it's going to be updated. So when you see that there's a reoccurring fee for something, for a software, that's actually a good thing. It means that they're going to continue to make sure that there's no bugs in the software, make sure that it's updated, and they're going to continue to add nice content to the software. So it's actually a really encouraging thing. So that's the last thing real quick to show. One more thing I wanted to show, just the adult coloring pages on the pro version. It comes out with and thousands of more types of images. So look at that. Wow. Just a ton of different coloring pages that it's going to spit out. I mean, these interiors are great. Now, like I said, you can grab this, like for right here, you could take one of these and go into a PDF editor and add text, motivational text or anything like that at the bottom, but you get the point. So really, it's activity book generator. And it is, it's a high recommendation. Right now I'm giving it a 8, 9, or a 10. I haven't quite decided yet, but it's definitely something I'm going to be using to publish, and they're going to continue adding content here. So to jump in, if you decide to pick this up, go ahead and click the link below in the description. If you're interested in this, go ahead and make the purchase, and you're going to get special accesses to Teach Me Money Methods bonuses. Put together a good bonus package for you. Bonus number 1, you're going to get 5K publishing paydays, how anyone can make $5,000 per month within 27 days with just 30 minutes per day. Uses 100% free traffic, and it's a really good product. I've checked it out. Bonus number 2, how to turn 3 books into 7 books. So if you're doing any kind of publishing on Amazon, or you've always wanted to, this is a really good strategy. How to double your profits. Make a book, make 3 individual books, and then it shows you how you can profit and turn those into more books and profit from them. So double down on the content that you're either writing yourself or paying for, and then you can actually double or triple your profits with that. So really good bonus. And then bonus number 3, you're going to get access to my Fiverr Success course. This is 12 over-the-shoulder training videos, and I show you exactly how I make money every single day on Fiverr, and you will get access to that course. It's a paid course, but you'll get access to it for free if you pick up Activity Book Generator through my link in the description below. So if you decide to purchase, you will get access to these 3 unique bonuses. You will get access to this page right here, and you will just be able to click on these links, and I already have them preloaded with the link. You'll just click on the link to access the course here and these 2 bonuses. So thank you so much for your time today. I hope I showed you some value. This recommendation for this software is a high recommendation. Again, I know you're doing a lot of this publishing. These are all, what's unique about this software is that this is low content. There wasn't anything in the software that I've seen that's no content. This is low content. So what that means is These are books that generally, without a software like this, are going to take you, 30 minutes to an hour to put together one interior. And that's if you have all the, memberships to Creative Fabrica, and you have, Canva, and you're putting all those together. Imagine spending, and I do this, and you're putting 30, 45 minutes up to an hour to create one coloring book or one activity book. And a lot of times the activity books, you don't have a tool to actually make those for you. In this case, you can have all those within seconds. It's just brilliant. So thank you for your time. Pick up my bonuses by purchasing the software below, and I appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next video.